Hey guys, welcome back. Yes, you read the title correct. Today I will be giving you a choice of either winning a Gucci bag or $500 PayPal cash. And you guys might be asking me, what's the occasion, Mel? The occasion is that I just love you guys. You know me, I'm always sort of like searching for bags. And for those of you that have been following me for ages, you know I love vintage bags. So yes, it is a vintage Gucci bag, but it is super rare and in absolutely great condition. I love it. I'm so excited to show you. And the thing is that I love giving back to you. And I really, I know I keep saying it and it might be all mushy, but I really appreciate your love and support from the bottom of my heart. I don't know how else to express it. And I just wanted to do a surprise. And I think when you least expect it, those surprises are the best of all. So today's video is going to be short and sweet, but I'm just excited because I get to give one of you a present. So what did I find? It is in this dust bag here. So I found it on eBay from a private seller, but I've already had it authenticated. And I know a lot of you love vintage bags too. I actually did a poll on my YouTube community page and I asked you guys, just out of curiosity, are you into vintage bags? And 60% of you said you are. And a lot of you said you would be, but you find them really hard to source and you're not sure if they're authentic or not. So I've done all the hard work for you. Let me tell you, I've only seen this bag twice and it is pretty rare. So it comes in this white dust bag. It doesn't have the original dust bag. It's quite rare to find the original dust bag and box, but this bag is really rare. It is this gorgeous 1980s, I think it's from the mid 1980s, Gucci monogram shoulder or crossbody bag. I cannot believe the condition of it. It is amazing for a bag that is 35 years old. So that's what it looks like from the front, the side. This is the back, and that's the side. To open the bag up, it's just this tab. You just open it up, and then that is the inside of the bag. Now, I do need to say the inside of the bag, the original lining has been taken out, and that's very normal in vintage Gucci bags because sometimes they get really sticky. So that has been removed, but it's fine. It's still it's sort of like in a soft sort of fabric lining. It does have one zipper pocket here, which I will open up. And the zip still works. And then here is the tag here. That's how I know it's 1980s because I actually have a 1980s vintage Gucci bag myself and it is made in Italy. And this bag here, guys, I've only seen maybe twice. The very first time was, I don't know, years ago, and I hesitated and I didn't get it. And when I saw it this time, I could not believe it. And I'm like, I'm going to get that. Plus, it is rare. The one thing that I love about vintage bags, and I've harped on about it with you guys, is that you don't see as many people carrying it around. And I love this style. I think this is a classic style. You know, the Gucci monogram is not going to be going anywhere. The fact that this bag is 35 years old, if you look at all the Gucci bags nowadays, so many of them are vintage inspired and some of them are actually like direct copies of ones from years ago. So I can definitely foresee them doing something like this again because it's just such a classic shape. So in terms of what it looks like, I will do some mod shots. It has this shoulder strap. It's not adjustable, but it's a really good length. You can wear it on the shoulder. You can wear it crossbody. It looks amazing. And also, I actually got hubby to try it on, and he's 5'10", and it works crossbody on him too. So for the guys out there, I think this bag, especially crossbody, works on a guy as well. It looks like a mail or sort of messenger bag, but I just think this is such a great style. And you probably can't tell, but I love that this buckle here, it's actually got gold and in the middle part's got a bit of silver. So there is some scratches on the middle part of it, just to let you guys know. But other than that, it is in really good condition. I do want to mention everything, like on some of the corners here and here, there's some, faint marks, but honestly, guys, for a bag of this age, it is in really, really good shape. And let me just show you quickly, it has got a lot of room in there. So I do have a, bigger sized iPhone. I just wanted to show you quickly capacity. I've got that in there. I always carry my LV mini pochette. I've got like a card holder, I'll put that in there. I've got sunglasses in a soft case. So that's what I've got in there at the moment, and you still can fit more in there. So I think capacity wise, it's great. See? I could definitely fit a few more things in there. And I think as much as I love the mini bag trend, sometimes you just want a bag that can fit a little bit more in. And I think this is a great first bag, or even those of you that are really wanting a vintage bag. I don't know. I just think it's a great piece. So how do you enter this giveaway? So there will be one big winner, and they will get the option of choosing this beautiful 1980s rare Gucci bag, or $500 Australian PayPal cash. And the reason why I've given that option is that I know not everyone loves vintage bags. So I want to give that option as well, because who doesn't like some cash to put into something they've been eyeing? So let me go through the instructions, because I've kept it super, super easy. Firstly, for the YouTube entry, all you need to do is be a subscriber of my page. Secondly, give this video a like. And third, comment below, would you prefer the bag or the cash? When you comment bag or cash below, please leave either your Instagram name or an email, so it's easy for me to contact the winner. And then go to my Instagram, and I know a lot of you follow me there already, and it's super easy. Firstly, follow my Instagram page, Mel in Melbourne. Secondly, like this giveaway picture right here. And thirdly, tag a friend. You can tag up to 6 friends to increase your chances, but it's up to you how many friends you want to tag. And that's it. There is no hashtagging or sharing to stories or anything like that. I've just kept it really, really easy. So the giveaway starts now and ends in 3 weeks. I will leave the end date right here and in the description bar below. And best of all, like all my giveaways, it is open worldwide. After the giveaway ends, I will be contacting the winner, and they will have 24 hours to get back to me. Then what I will do is I will pin the winner's name to the comments of this video, and I will update it in the description bar of the video. And on the giveaway picture, I will also edit the description and tag the winner on the giveaway picture on Instagram as well. So it'll be really clear who the winner is. But just give me some time after the giveaway ends, because I need to sort through all the entries, as the winner will be picked completely at random. So that is it, guys. If I missed anything, all the instructions will be left in the description bar below, but it is really, really easy to enter. So I'm so excited just to surprise you guys with this giveaway. It was not planned. I saw it, I loved it, I thought of you, I wanted to buy it, and as it doesn't come with a box or bag, you guys know I love packaging. I know a lot of you love packaging, so I'm more than happy to give you one of my Gucci boxes. So this bag will come in the white dust bag, as I showed before, and also it will come with a Gucci shopping bag as well. So just a little bonus extra, because I know a lot of you like to display these boxes. I know I do, and it's always nice if you do like to store your bags in boxes, so you've got something to house your new baby too. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you were surprised, and let me just say, there is still going to be a 200k giveaway. I haven't forgotten about that, and that is the one I asked you guys, would you prefer a Nano Speedy or a Nano No Way? I'm still on the list for that. It might take some months, but the 200k giveaway is still planned. This was just because I just wanted to do it for you, and I saw it, and I don't know. Sometimes, you like surprising the people you love or people in your family when you see something you think they would like. So I hope you like it. I know I love it. I honestly don't mind. If the winner wants the cash, I'm more than happy to keep this baby. But either way, I just wanted to give a little something back. So thank you so much for watching. Big kisses. Mwah, mwah. I really, really appreciate each and every one of you, each comment, each like. Obviously everyone that subscribes, and yeah, I love you so much. So take care for now. Bye guys. Even Saturday,